Okay, so take your saved view and go ahead and render that. Save it. Close. Turn off your buildings. Render again. Okey-doke. Save it. Now, open Photoshop and go ahead and drop in your without. Don't need this. And drag in your width. Here, with width, opacity, say 25%. Now you've ghosted buildings. Change the opacity to how you like it. Or, full opacity, click this to create a layer mask. B for your brush. Brackets change brush size. Black hides, white shows. And go ahead and change. I have my flow down at 9. And I'm just gonna erase this. So these are still here, but they're ghosted. I'm gonna switch to white. Bring this back in here. Just touch, 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 touch. Back to black. Click X to switch between black and white. And just refine. That's it.